Welcome one and all to another venture of Fat Boy at the Forge, where today was supposed to be a testing video for this, which is Master Chief Sir Halo's energy sword. Now I would love to test this, but I don't know if you can see it on cam. I do not want this to break. And I'm afraid hitting something even a little bit, even though like everything, I believe that this would probably snap since the weakest point is in the handle. Now had I put that actual other piece there, I would have no problem testing this. But anyway, I mean, I did sharpen it still, just because why not? Still cuts. You know, it is sharp. It's more of a piercer, but just with all that wiggle, I don't feel confident testing this. I still like doing this because it feels cool, even though really in the Halo universe it's more just like that, and the blade comes out obviously. But so I am not going to test this because I do not want it to break under my hands. So this will be a short video. There's always more to come. People driving by the street just looking at me like, what the hell is he doing? You know, I have no problem, like if I wasn't having like display purposes for this, or even selling it maybe, I would have no problem destroying it and having it break. There's been plenty of videos where the weapons that I've tested have broke. But as for this, it's just too cool. It's something really nice that I made that I don't want it to fully break.